Welcome to Sharadvi More English School online lecture. Good evening, student. Yesterday we have finished the first question of practice set 1.1. Today I will explain the question number 2. Okay, see the question number 2. Forty-nine x 49x minus 57y is equals to 172. This is your equation 1. And 57x minus 49y is equals to 252. Now, in these two simultaneous equations, the coefficients are interchanged. See the coefficient here, the 49 is coefficient of the x, and in second equation 49 is the coefficient of y, and in first equation the 57 is the coefficient of the y, and in second equation it is the coefficient of the x. So when the coefficients are exchanged, we have to solve by the following method only, then you will get the solution. Now see the first step. First step of solution. In first step we have to add both the equation. So now here I will write adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. Okay, so when we add these two equation, we will get 49x minus 57y is equals to 172, and 57x minus 49y is equals to 252. Now we know that when we add the equation, the sign of any terms do not change. किसी भी terms का कोई भी sign change होता नहीं है. Okay, when we perform the function of addition. Now 2 plus 2, 4, 7 plus 5, 12, carry 1, 2 and carry 1, 3 and 1, 4. Now 9 and 7, 16, carry 1, 5 plus 4, 9 and carry 1, 10. So this becomes the 106, and here there is minus sign before both the numbers. So here minus sign will come. 9 plus 7, 16, carry 1. So it becomes the 106. So 106x minus 106y is equals to 424. Now say 424 is the 4 times of the 106. So here we will divide this equation by the 106. So you will get x minus y is equals to, now 106 into 4. So 100, 100, 100, 100 will become 400, and 6 4s are 24. So here you will get the 4. Here we have to write down dividing both sides of equation by 106. किससे डिवाइड कर रहे हैं हम लोग? 106 से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. Now we have to name this equation as equation number 3, because already equation 1 and 2 are given. Now we have to subtract the equation number 1 from 2 or 2 from 1. Okay, as you wish, you will get the same answer. Now I am subtracting the equation 1 from the equation 2. Now this is the second step, subtracting equation 1 from equation number 2. Okay, so first we will write the equation 2. So equation 2 is 57x minus 49y is equals to 252, and equation 1 is 49x minus 57y is equals to 172. Now here we are going to subtract the equation number 1. So the sign of all terms in the equation 1 will change. Now positive sign will become negative and negative sign will become positive. Okay, now see, this is 172. Okay, now this will become minus 172. On subtraction the sign changes, no? So here it is plus minus 57y, so this will become the plus 57y, and this is positive 49x, so this will become negative 49x. Now you have to see the sign of the first number and the change sign which is written in the circle. Now see, the 2 minus 2 will become 0. Now 5 minus 7, we have to borrow from the next number. 15 minus 7 is equals to 8. Now here uh, the remaining number is 1. 1 becomes 0. So here we got the 80. Now here minus 49 plus 57. Okay, one number is positive and one number is negative. So we have to subtract when there is a positive and negative sign. Now 57 minus 49, so 17. 57 is greater one. So from the greater number we have to subtract. So 7 minus 9. So we have to borrow 1 from the next number. It will become 17. 17 minus 9 is equals to 8. And here 4. 4 minus 4 will become 0. Now greater number is 57. Greater number is 57. So now 57 minus 49, it will give you the 8y, and greater number is positive, that's why positive sign will come before the 8y. Now see, the 57 minus 49, here also you will get the 8, and greater number is 57 and it is positive, so here you will get the positive 8x. It's clear now? Okay, now see, the 8x plus 8y. 8x plus 8y is equals to 80. Now the 8, 8 and 80, it can be divided by the highest number 8. So that's why we will divide these equations by 8. So you will get the x plus y is equals to 10. Okay. Now here in bracket you have to write down dividing both sides of equation by the 8. Dividing both sides of equation by 8. Okay, and we will labeled as this is equation number 4. Now observe carefully the equation number 3 and 4. The coefficient of both equations are same. In equation 3 it is x minus y is equals to 4, and in equation 4 x plus y is equals to 10. So x coefficient as well as the y coefficient is same. So now we will add these two equations. Now third step, to add the equation. Okay, remember that is whenever there is a exchange of coefficient, then you have to add in the first step. Second step you have to subtract, and in third step again you have to add. Now adding equation number 3 and 4, you will get okay. Now see, x, here I will write the adding equation third and fourth. Third and fourth. Okay, here you will get x minus y is equals to 4, and here x plus y is equals to 10. Now yes, on addition the sign of the any terms will not change. So 10 plus 4, both numbers are positive, so this will give you the 10 plus 4 is equals to 14, and minus y plus y will become 0, and 1x will become the 2x. So 2x is equals to 14. Now here 2 is present in the product form, with the x. So we have to bring these two on the right hand side. So this will go in denominator. 2 1 ja 2, 2 7 ja 14. So x is equals to 7. Okay, x is equals to 7. Now we have to find out the value of y. So to find the value of y, you have to substitute the value of x in equation 3 or equation 4. Substituting, or you can write down the putting. Okay, क्या लिख सकते हैं उसकी जगह पे? Putting. So substituting x is equals to 7 in equation 4. Okay, so equation 4 is x plus y is equals to 10. So at place of the x, you have to write 7. 7 plus y is equals to 10. So therefore y is equals to, now bring this 7 on the right hand side. So this will become minus 7. So therefore y is equals to 10 minus 7 is equals to 3. Okay, now we got the value of x and value of y. So here the solution of simultaneous equation is 7, 3. क्या मिल गया आपको इसका solution? Okay, write down the answer. The solution of given simultaneous, the solution of given simultaneous equation is x comma y, and this corresponds to 7, 3. Here 7 is the x coordinate and y is the 3 is the y coordinate. Understood? Now we have revised how to find out the solution of the simultaneous equation. Now you are going to study the new method to find out the solution of the such simultaneous equation, and this new method is called as the graphical method. Okay, first let's read about the graphical method, then I will start the solution of the practice set 1.2. Okay, now graph of linear equation in two variable. So already in 9th standard you have learned that graph of linear equation in two variable is straight line. 9th standard में आपने पहले ही लर्न किया है, क्या है? ग्राफ of the linear equation in two variable is straight line. The ordered pair which satisfies the equation is the solution of that equation. The ordered pair means value of x and value of y that satisfy the equation, and both equations here each called the solution of the equation. The ordered pair represent a point on that line. Okay, and that order, okay, represent point on that line. जो ordered है वो उस line पे present रहता है. Now see the example. Draw the graph of 2x minus y is equals to 4. What is given here? Draw the graph of the 2x minus y is equals to 4. Now solution to draw a graph of equation. So let's write the four ordered pairs. Here you have to write down the 4 points, means you have to find out the 4 points. Earlier 2 years ago we were only finding the 3 points, but it is compulsory to find out the 4 points. Even though you can draw the straight line using the two lines, but if any one of the point is wrong, then your solution will go wrong. So that's why here it is compulsory to draw the 4 lines, so that you understand that lines are coming on a straight line or not, means that points are linear or not linear. Okay, so this helps in finding out that the solution that we have found is correct or not correct. Now see, 2x minus y is equals to 4. So here when we take x is equals to 0, so this term 2 into 0 will become 0, and here you will get minus y is equals to 4. So y value will be, now we will make the y positive by multiplying the both sides by negative sign. So this will become the positive and this will become the negative. Okay, because minus into minus y will form the positive y, and minus into positive 4 will form the minus 4. So here you got the 0 comma minus 4. And second, when you take the x value is equals to 2, so 2 into 2, because 2 into x is the first term, 2 into x is the first term, so 2 into 2 is equals to 4. And here y, now when you bring this 4 on the right hand side, the 4 minus 4 will become 0. So here you will get minus y is equals to 0. It means y is equals to 0. Now here we will not put any sign before the 0, because the 0 do not have any sign, remember this. Okay, and when you take the x value as 3, so here you get the 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is equals to 6, and 6 minus y is equals to 4. And when you bring this 6x on the right hand side, so this will become the minus 6. So minus 6 plus 4 will give you the minus 2, because greater number is 6 and before that there is a negative sign. Okay, and here you will get the minus y is equals to minus 2. Now both side there is a minus sign. When you multiply both side by negative sign, you will get again positive sign, then the y will become equals to 2. Okay, now you will draw the points on the graph paper. You will find that line is passing from the 2 and minus 4. Now here only one point is there, or only one equation is there, but when there are the two equations, then the point of intersection will give you the solution of that equation. उसको क्या देगा, वो आपको उसका solution देगा. Now see the graphical method, page number 7, graphical method. Okay, graphical method is not omitted. Okay, remember this, the full graphical method is in your syllabus. Let's draw the graph of the x plus y is equals to 4 and 2 4x minus y is equals to 2, and observe them. Now see, here 4 points are found for the first equation as well as for the second equation. Now the points of the first equations are plotted here. Okay, minus 1 comma 5. So here it is plotted minus 1. So minus 1, it is the x coordinate. So x coordinate, negative x coordinates are left hand side on the y axis. Y axis के left side होगा. So this is the minus 1, and the y is positive value. It will be upward direction. It will be in upward direction to the x-axis, this horizontal x-axis. So here it is 5. So this is the minus 1.5. Now second point is 4 comma 0. Now see, whenever the one point is 0, it means that point lies on any one of the axis. अगर कोई भी एक पॉइंट क्या है, 0 है, इसका मतलब क्या होता है कि वो पॉइंट किसी न किसी एक्सिस पे प्रेजेंट है. तो दैट मे बी प्रेजेंट ऑन द एक्स एक्सिस एंड दैट मे बी प्रेजेंट ऑन द वाई एक्सिस. Okay, now see here, the y-axis is 0. Y-axis is 0 means this point lie on the x-axis because x value is there. Okay, and what is 0? Y. So this definitely present on the x-axis because value of x is given. Now next one, 1 comma 3. So here x value is 1, so 1 is taken. Now y value is 3, so y is positive value. It will be in upward direction of the x-axis. So this is 1 comma 1. Now next point is x comma minus 2. So now see the positive x value, it is always right to the y-axis. So here it is positive 6. Okay, here it is positive 6, and the y value is minus 2. So minus 2, y value minus 2 lie below the horizontal x-axis. So that's why this will be here. Now see, this point is plotted. Now all 4 points, minus 1 comma 5, 1 comma 3, and 4 comma 0, and 6 comma minus 2 are joined using the scale. And the second equations, all 4 points are plotted, and here we got the point of intersection at 2 comma 2. So this 2 comma 2 is the solution of the this given simultaneous equation. Okay, and you can check out the answer that you have found is correct or not correct by मेथड ऑफ एलिमिनेशन। इस मेथड से क्या कर सकते हो, आप अपना आंसर भी वेरीफाई कर सकते हो। नाउ लेट्स सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस ऑफ द प्रैक्टिस सेट 1.2। नाउ सी द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, question number 1 related to activity. First question, complete the following table to draw the graph of equation x plus y is equals to 3 and x minus y is equals to 4. The first question is complete the following table to draw the graph of the equation. Okay, so here we have to just complete the table. Okay, here we have not to draw the graph and we have to fill the boxes. Now see the first question, x plus y is equals to 3 and x minus y is equals to 4. So here some points of x are given and some value of y is given. Now we have to substitute that value in the given equation to find out the value of the x or y. Okay, now see first one, when x is equals to 3, when x is equals to 3, then what will be the y value, y की वैल्यू क्या होगी। नाउ y kept empty, y को क्या किया है, empty रखा है। Okay, now see the solution। Okay, now question is, first I will write the question, question 1, it's first one, x plus y is equals to 3। Okay, and second question, second part, x minus y is equals to 4। Now see the solution। Okay, after the solution I will fill the boxes। Here it is not compulsory, for this question it is not compulsory to show the solution of this question, but I am showing the solution so that you understand how the solutions are obtained, are found। Now see, x plus y is equals to 3। Now here x value is given, so I will write here when x is equals to 3, or you can write substituting, because already here the value of x is given, so substituting x is equals to 3। Okay, so now at place of the x you have to write down the 3, 3 plus y is equals to 3। Now bring the bring the numbers on number side, means on the right hand side, so 3, and this 3 will, when come on the right hand side, this will become minus 3, so y is equals to 3 minus 3 is equals to 0। First value of the y is equals to 0 when x is equals to 3। Okay, now here condition is already given। Now a second value, y value is given here, so substituting, we will substitute the y value because y value is already given here। Substituting y is equals to 5, substituting y is equals to 5 because 5 is given over here। Okay, now substitute the value of y in the given equation, x plus y, at place of the y we will write the 5 because y value is given, remember this, the student make mistakes, they always substitute the value of y, but here the value of x is given, then you have to find out the value of y, and when value of y is given, then you have to substitute the y value at place of the y, and if you place the y value at the place of the x, then you will get the wrong answer। X plus 5 is equals to 3, so therefore x is equals to, now see the plus 5, when it come on the right hand side, this will become the minus 5, so therefore x is equals to plus minus minus and greater number is 5 and it is negative, so your answer will also negative। Now third value that is given in the table, the value of y is given as 3, so we will substitute the value of y as 3 in the equation। Now see substituting, this is the third value that we are substituting, substituting the y is equals to y is equals to 3. Now x plus, at place of the y write the 3, and 3 is present on the right hand side. This bring this 3 on the right hand side, this will become minus 3. So therefore x is equals to 3 minus 3 is equals to 0. It's clear now. Now we have to fill the boxes. Okay, I already told to you that it is not compulsory in this question to show that how did you get the points. Now see the table. See the table. When x value is 3, then the value of y is equals to 0. Now here we have to write down in the ordered form. Okay, the x value will be written first and then y value will be written. Now see the when y value is 5. When y value is 5, we got the x as minus 2. So we will write here minus 2. Here in ordered form minus 2 comma 5, because x coordinate is written first. Now see the last point. When the x is equals to y is equals to 3, then x value is equals to 0. So 0 comma 3. In this way we have to solve the second part of the question 1. Second part of the question 1 is x minus y is equals to 4. Okay, here we have filled the table and the values are. Now see the x value we have to find out, and y value is given as 0. Substituting y is equals to 0 in the given equation. So you will get x minus y is equals to 4. So therefore x is equals to, now when you bring the 0, on the right hand side, so now 0 plus 4 will give you the 4. So x value is equals to 4. Now second value that is given in the table, substituting. Now the value of x is given as minus 1. Substituting x is equals to minus 1. Okay, now substitute the same value in the given equation. So here you will get minus 1 minus y is equals to 4. Now we have to bring this number on the right hand side. So this minus 1 will become plus 1. On bringing the right hand side, to minus 1 is equals to 5. Now multiply both sides by the negative sign, you will get the positive y and negative 5. Okay, so here y value is equals to minus 5. The next value already given, 0 and minus 4. Now here we have to fill the boxes. Now x value is equals to 4 when y is equals to 0. जब y की वैल्यू कितनी थी 0, तो x की वैल्यू कितनी मिली 4. So here you will write in ordered pair 4 comma 0. In second case the x value is minus 1. At that time you found the y value is equals to minus 5. So it is minus 5 comma minus 1 comma minus 5. Okay, in this way we have completed the question 1. Now see the question 2. Solve the following simultaneous equations graphically. Okay, ग्राफ से इसको क्या करना है, सॉल्व करना है. Okay, see the question number 2. Okay, solve the following simultaneous equation graphically. Okay, so here you have to find out the 4 points by your own, and then you have to draw the graph of it. Question number 2. Question number 2. Solve the following simultaneous equations graphically. Full stop. See the first question. X plus y is equals to 6 and x minus y is equals to 4. Okay, here we will solve both equations simultaneously. X plus y is equals to 6. Now I will find the 4 points for the first equation. Now I write when. Okay, you can start from the word when or substituting or putting. Now when x is equals to 1, so here you have to take the x value not more than 8, because when you take the x value more than 8, it will create a problem to draw the graph on the graph paper, and you have to not take the y value greater than 12, because it will also create the same problem. So when x is equals to 1, now I am finding the first point. So now substitute the x is equals to 1 in the given equation. So 1 plus y is equals to 6. So therefore now bring the 1 on the left right hand side. This will become minus 1. So therefore y is equals to 6 minus 1 is equals to 5. Okay, now you got the first value or first ordered pair when x is equals to 0. Now you are free here to take the x value as positive, negative or 0. So when x is equals to 0, so 0 plus y is equals to 6. So therefore y is equals to 6. Okay, this is the second ordered pair. Now third point, when x is equals to 4. Suppose x is equals to 4. Okay, you can take the x value as 2 also. You can take the x value 1 also, minus 1 also. Okay, here you will get the different points. Different student will have the different point, but answer will be same, because one line have infinite point. एक लाइन के ऊपर क्या होता है, infinite points होते हैं. So that's why here you will get different student will get the different points.